Traveling is one of the best ways to explore new cultures, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. However, many people are put off by the high costs associated with travel. But fear not, there are plenty of ways to travel on a budget and still have an amazing experience. In this video, we will discuss 15 easy-to-use tips to help you travel cheaply this year. Before diving deep, request you to hit subscribe to make YouTube app happy and to get more insightful content. 1. Plan ahead and set a budget. This will help you avoid overspending and allow you to focus on the experiences that matter most to you. 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. Traveling during off-peak seasons can save you a lot of money on flights and accommodations. For instance, spring and fall are the best times to travel if you want to go to Italy or Greece. Nonetheless, it is less expensive and more crowded to visit these locations between mid-September and October. 3. Choose budget-friendly destinations. Indo-Pacific, Eastern Europe, and South America are all great options for travelers on a budget. In order to reduce unnecessary costs and maximize your vacation enjoyment, tourists must conduct a thorough examination of the exchange rates of other nations. Choose prudently and go to a place where the exchange rates for your currency are higher when you arrive. 4. Stay in hostels or budget hotels. These options are not only cheaper, but also provide a great opportunity to meet fellow travelers. On travel apps, there are many hotel or motel deals that can give you the greatest lodging for significant savings. 5. Use public transportation instead of taxis or rental cars. This will save you money and allow you to experience the local culture. Check out the hiking essentials at reasonable price. Links are given below in the description. 6. Eat like a local. Try street food, local markets, and small restaurants for a taste of the local cuisine at a fraction of the cost of tourist restaurants. 7. Take advantage of free activities. Museums, parks, and walking tours can provide a great experience without costing a dime. 8. Use travel rewards and credit card points to save money on flights and accommodations. Travel firms frequently provide discounts on your first bookings for any destination. To stay up with specials, giveaways, or other promotions, interested visitors can frequently visit their websites. This will help you choose the greatest offer for your needs. 9. Pack light to avoid checked baggage fees and keep a track of your expenses. 10. Negotiate prices with tour guides and vendors. In contrast to the average customer, travel agents have direct access to insider discounts. Therefore, you get to save your important dime on settlements. Check out the travel essentials at affordable rates. Links are given below in the description. 11. Consider volunteering or working abroad in exchange for room and board. In homestays or accommodations, splitting costs with your pals or partner can help you avoid paying extra. 12. Use ride-sharing services instead of taxis. You can look up locations in Google Maps that have the top eateries, museums, treks, cafes, etc. By combining local and accessible sightseeing, you can quickly plan out the visits for each day after filling in the specifics. 13. Purchase tickets for attractions in advance for discounted prices. Use your Priority Pass membership to avoid paying additional fees for meals or beverages at the airport. 14. Buy souvenirs from local markets instead of tourist shops. If you wish to explore the place on foot, you can take short excursions across the streets to learn more about the residents and save some money. 15. Lastly, be open to new experiences and embrace the unexpected. Traveling on a budget may require a bit more creativity and flexibility, but it can lead to some of the most rewarding experiences of your life. By following these simple tips, you can travel on a budget and create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels!